Hey guys, welcome to Cortrack. So today we are going to learn about how to create a new directory via Git Bash. So we have already talked about uh, how to install Git Bash and how do you change directory. So in this video we'll be talking about how to change directory in Git Bash. So here I have already opened my Git Bash as you can see, and so if you already know how to change your directories, you will understand what I'm going to type, which is cd desktop, and it will change directly to your desktop. Now, if you do not know what was this, just to check out my previous videos on how to install Git Bash and then how to change directory for other people who have already been following me. This is how we do it. So for changing the directory, there is a command named mkdir, which is written as mkdir. And then to change directory or to create a new folder, you remember the folder is exactly the same as the directory. So mkdir means make directory. It's a short form for make directory. Mk means make and dir means directory. You can also say it as make folder. So directory and folders are both the same thing. So when you type mkdir and then the next word that you type is the name of the folder, which means the folder that you will create, what will be its name. So just name it like new folder. New folder. Now you have already done new folder, and when I go to my desktop, you see there will be a folder named new folder. So we have already created. We didn't do anything like right clicking and going to new and creating a folder. This is the same procedure, but via command line, which is more professional, which is a requirement in most of the MNCs and bigger companies as you go through. Even the smaller companies want it, even they put it down in their requirement field, but that's not that much of a necessity, as I have seen. That's my personal experience. And now you have already created a new folder. Now we will keep the desktop open, and now you will create one more new directory. Now I type mkdir and I'll name it newest folder. So you see, there isn't any folder named newest folder, but when I press enter, you see, it just created. So now you know two things. You know how to create a new directory and how do you change directory to that directory. So you already see you are on the path to the desktop. Now all you have to do is cd to newest folder. Now, which means, as you already know, is change directory to the newest folder. It means now after pressing enter, you will be inside this folder. Now, as I press enter, you see the path got changed. It's showing US folder now on this side. So you are in this folder. In the next video, we will be learning about how to create a new file. Now the file can have any extension. It can be JavaScript file, it can be a CSS file, it can be even a text file, YML file, or whatever kind of file you make. But the command will remain the same. So just if you haven't subscribed, then subscribe. If you haven't liked, then of course you have to like. That's festive most probably by YouTube itself. And for rest of you, like, share, and subscribe. And if you like the video, do subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you.